Here's how I made a Grand Marnier chocolate cheesecake, like Steve at Vivaldi. I got my recipe from Grok. Let's get started. I start by melting the chocolate down. I decided to try Tony's Choco Lonely for this recipe. Like Steve, I use the steam from boiling water to melt the chocolate without burning it. While the chocolate's melting, I start on the base. I pulse 15 Oreos with the filling in my old-fashioned food processor. Then I mix the crumbs with melted butter and sugar before pressing them into my springform pan. I bake it at 350 degrees for 8 minutes and then let it cool. For the filling, I mix softened cream cheese, sugar, plain Greek yogurt, cocoa powder, vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of orange extract, and a tablespoon of simple syrup in place of 2 tablespoons of Grand Marnier, and a little bit of orange zest. I listed in the description one recipe that uses Grand Marnier, and one that does not for those of you who don't have a bottle lying around. The chocolate is now melted and ready to be added to the filling mixture. Once everything is mixed well, I add the eggs one at a time and try to avoid overmixing. I pour the filling mixture onto the crust, which I've allowed to cool, and smooth the top. Then I wrap the pan in 2 layers of heavy-duty aluminum foil to prevent water leaks. I apologize for the poor camera angle here. Rookie mistake. Let's fast forward here. Now I place it in the largest oven-safe pan I have and fill it with hot water halfway up the sides. Then it goes in the oven for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. I let it cool on the counter for an hour before removing the foil, and then place it in the refrigerator overnight. The next day, I remove it from the fridge and run a knife around the edge to remove it from the pan. Then, I spend a few minutes on the struggle bus, trying to figure out how to get the cheesecake off the pan, because I didn't use the flat side of the bottom of the pan. I finally just cut a slice and in the process, find out why I was supposed to use a warm knife. A little bit of the crust stuck to the pan, but I was finally able to get the cake off. My presentation here probably gets an F, but the cake was delicious. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to see what I make next.